7G6. Let's look at 5 through 8. So match each description with its surface area. So, surface area. Let's look at number 5. We're starting with the formula. Surface area equals pH plus 2b. Perimeter of the base times height of the prism plus 2 times area of the base. It's a cube. So the surface area is, and if we had to draw this, which, bear with me, it's a cube. That's as good as I got. So the side length is 13. So everything is 13. Everything is 13. So the perimeter, let's walk around the front, would be 13, 13, 13, and 13. So that would be 13 times 4. It's 13, 13, 13, and 13. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 52. So the perimeter is 52. The height of the prism, so how far back does this cube go? Well, it's 13 on every side, so it goes back 13. Now we're going to add 2 times area of the base. Well, the area of the base, it's a cube, so length times width. Area of the base is 13 times 13. 13 times 13 is 169. Formula, substitute, now we solve. Surface area is 52 times 13. That's 676. Plus 2 times 69. And that is that was a mistake. 2 times 169, 338. You add those up. 338 plus 676, and we get 1014. And we're dealing with centimeters. So 1014, 5 is D, because it matches with 513. Moving on. 6. Right rectangular prism. So we're finding the surface area. A right rectangular prism. So actually this is 6. Right rectangular prism. Again, I'll do my best to draw it. Goes there, 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 and there. With a length of 6, width of 3, and height of 7. So we need the perimeter. So let's use this front as the perimeter. 6, 3, the top will be 6, and this other side will be 3. 6, 3, 6, 3, add them up. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 6 is 15, plus 3 is 18. So the perimeter is 18. Times the height of the prism. So how far back does our base go? It goes back 7. Plus 2 times, all right, the area of the base. It's a rectangle, so length times width. Area of the base is 6 times 3. So the area of the base is 18. We just drag this over for capital B, area of the base, 18. So surface area is, we have 18 times 7, which is 126. Plus 2 times 18, 2 times 18, and that is 36. Formula, substitute, simplify, and now we solve. Add those up. 126 plus 36. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 and 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, and 1. So surface area equals 162 centimeters squared. So 6 is 162, and that is A. Moving on to 7. Cube with side lengths. Cube. Side lengths of 8. So everything is 8. So surface area is perimeter 8, 8, 8, and 8. So it's 8 all the way around. That'd be 8 times 4, which is 32, times the height of the prism. How far back does it go? It goes 8 back. Plus 2 times the area of the base. It is a cube, so length times width, or just square one of the sides. And the length and the width are both 8. So the area of the base is 64. So then we will drag this over to substitute it in for capital B. And so that is 64. So surface area is 32 times 8, 256, plus 64 times 2, which is 128. So the surface area is 256 plus 128. Yeah, I know, I just don't feel like adding this up by hand right now. 384. So 384 square centimeters. Number 7 is 384, so 7 is C. Moving on to 8. Right rectangular prism. So again, we're talking about surface area. We have a right rectangular prism. Looks kind of like a cube. Side lengths are 17, 15, and 10. All right. So surface area is the perimeter, 15, 17, plus 15 and 17. Okay, so I know that 17 and 17 is 34 when we add those up. Let's go 15 over here, and the right side is 15, that's 30. So we have 30 from the two sides, plus 34 for the top and the bottom. So that gives us 64. Again, the bottom and the top, that's 17, 17, that's 34 when we add those together. And the left side and the right side, 15 and 15 is 30. So 30 plus 34 gives us 64. The height of the prism is 10. And we're going to add 2 times the area of the base. The base is a rectangle, so length times width. The length will be 17, and the width will be 15. So the area of the base, 17 times 15, we get 255. So that's area of the base. We're going to drag that over for capital B. So surface area equals, now we're going to simplify, 64 times 10 is 640, and 255 times 2 is 510. So the surface area is 640 plus 510, 1,150 square centimeters. So 8 is 1,150. It's right there. 8 is E.